How to connect Zapier to GoHighLevel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how to set them up. But first, if you want to get a 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel instead of the default 14 and also some more bonuses, you can just click on the description down below and follow along the video. So let's just go and get back to the video. Okay, so mostly we're just going to do this from Zapier side of things. So we just want to switch to a Zap that we have here that is blank. And basically to connect our GoHighLevel, it is very simple. You just want to go to the trigger, for example. And if we just go in and click on the trigger here, we simply just want to search for one specific thing. And no, it is not GoHighLevel, it is lead connector. So just go in and search for lead connector like so. And you should be able to find it right here. So basically lead connector, if you don't know already, it is pretty much GoHighLevel. It's the name, the backend name that Shopify uses, WordPress, and so on. So simply just look up this right here and click on it. So this is basically going to be you connecting your GoHighLevel account with Zapier. So now you simply just want to actually log in with that so you can set things up. So you simply just want to click on the account tab here. And now it's just going to prompt you to actually log into your GoHighLevel account. So click on connect and click on login. And now you simply just want to add your email and password. Again, this is going to be for the GoHighLevel. Lastly, just go in and give them the permissions needed. And also, I forgot to show this, but it's going to obviously ask you which sub account you want to select. And you simply just go in and select that specific sub account that you want. And now you basically have your GoHighLevel account connected to Zapier and you can start working on your workflow. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.